What's the craziest thing that a neighbor had me do? I mean, really hasn't been anything. I mean, he knows what he did.
What I most want as a neighbor, I feel like Mark would be pretty good. He'd be pretty vigilant, I think, and I think he would sort of keep himself to himself as well. I worry about Kapil living next to me and him wanting to come round every 5 minutes and hang out.
Jack Whitehall. As a neighbor? Yeah, I mean, like, we were, like, super close on set, and he's awesome, and I think, you know, he's now a dear friend, and I think if we'd hang out all the time, that'd be awesome. We can just play pickleball constantly, and I can constantly beat him, and that would make me feel good about myself.
Would you be upset to know he didn't pick you as his neighbor?
I know he wouldn't pick me as a neighbor. Who did he pick? He picked Mark.
Nice. Kiki, straight ahead, Kiki. Straight ahead, Kiki. Straight ahead. Thank you. Aww.